Hey guys, my bulb order came from Colorblends today and I thought I'd do a little unboxing video. I'm so excited for this and to show you guys what I got coming here. Okay, that's so cute. Look at that little clip, and it's a magnet too. So it looks like here's some instructions, which is good. Order. All right, are you guys ready for this? I got 1,000 crocus bulbs. 1,000 that I am going to have to get all planted this weekend. These look awesome though. They're good size. They're already got some growth happening. Ugh. I can get it open. Grab one and show you. So these are nice and firm. Look at that already growing here. Oh, they look so good. Okay, so this was the Vernal Jewels Crocus. So I have 1,000 of these, which came in multiple bags here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, lots of work to come this weekend. So then I also got some daffodils here, which these bulbs look really good. Wow. These are Dulcinea. They're a beautiful double daffodil, which double daffodils are my favorite thing right now. So look at these bulbs, nice and firm. They look great. So I'll get those planted here too. And I got one more double. This one is topsy-turvy. So this one has 2 different colors in it for this mix. And these look awesome too here. So firm. You can tell that they really take good care of them. And these are huge bulbs too. So I have a bag of those. And then the last ones here, I got 100 of the grape hyacinth. So these are tiny little flowers and the pollinators absolutely love them. I have some out in my gardens already, but we'll have 100 more out there somewhere. So I'll be getting these planted up this weekend too. These look good too. They're nice hard bulbs. And that's it. So lots of bulbs to plant. I'm sure I'll do videos on planting those too. Those are fun to do. I'm grateful that I have an auger that should make this go a lot easier to get them on the ground. All right. Thanks.